Namaste everyone. I'm Sandesh, the co-founder and CBO at Venwiz Technologies.
I'm Rajesh, co-founder and CEO of Venwiz Technologies.
This Diwali, I wanted to take a moment to express our heartfelt gratitude for all your contributions and being there on our platform.
Diwali is a time for celebration, joy and reflection.
It's also a perfect occasion for expressing our gratitude for all your contributions.
I want to take this opportunity to thank you for your support and trust in our vision. Your partnership played a key role in our success and has been a guiding light in our journey.
Your commitment to Venwiz and belief in our idea of being India's first vendor discovery platform for Capex procurement is well appreciated.
We are excited about the opportunities the future holds, a journey with mutual growth and learning.
So from all of us at Venwiz to all our 18,000 plus vendor partners on our platform,
On behalf of the entire team here at Venwiz, thank you for being part of our journey.
we wish you a very happy Diwali to you and your loved ones. Thank you so much.